Hi, everyone. So, I welcome you on this special live session on the account of World Skin Health Day. And let me see if people are joining. Yes, people are joining. Let's begin with today's live session. Well, hello and welcome to our special expert speaker program on World Skin Health Day. I am Akansha, brand ambassador with For Life, and today we have Shweta. She's training lead working for Life. Well, World Skin Health Day is a global initiative celebrated on 8th of July. The purpose of this day is to educate people about the significance of skin health and to encourage discussions and actions towards improving skin health. Well, welcome Shweta on this special live session, and it's really a great pleasure to be part of this live session with you.
Thank you very much, Akansha. And it's always a great moment collaborating with you on such talk shows. And thank you very much for having me today.
All right, so Shweta, let's start with the basics. Like, why is skin health so important? Initially, we used to think that we have washed our face and done with it, and then before sleeping, like in the night, we used to wash the face, and that's it. It is like done. But then now lately, the skin care health, it has become very important. Why? We wanted to know from
So
you.
actually, Akansha, when you look at skin is like the mirror to your overall health. Okay. तो ये एक आईने की तरह काम करता है यानी कि if your overall health is good, it radiates on your skin. Okay. And also skin health is very, very crucial because it's the largest organ of the body and it is the first line of defense protecting us against various microorganisms. And also it protects us from pollutants, it protects us from UV radiations and a lot of different pathogens that we face each day. Now, healthy skin is something which acts as a barrier and protects us from all these factors that we see today. And it also plays a very vital role in regulating the body temperature and it also protects as a covering for the internal organs. That is why skin is very, very important.
Absolutely. Well, that's really fascinating to know this. Well, could you share some common factors that affect the skin health?
Yes, of course. Akansha, we always speak about nutrition, supplements, a healthy and a balanced lifestyle, right? So first and foremost, as always, nutrition and a balanced diet is something which plays a very, very important role in good skin health. Okay. So to have good health, it is very important to have good amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Okay. So what are antioxidants? Basically, antioxidants are something which will help in neutralizing the free radicals in the body and to flush off the toxins that are there in the body. So specifically, when you're looking at skin health, it is very important to include vitamin C rich fruits, यानी कि जितने भी खट्टे fruits or vegetables हैं, for example, lemon, oranges, mausamni, and you should also have foods that are rich in omegas and vitamin E and zinc. Okay. So for instance, if you look at citrus fruits में जैसे मौसमी, oranges, जितने भी खट्टे fruits और vegetables हैं, they give us good amount of vitamin C. और
Okay.
अगर आप ओमेगा की बात करें तो ओमेगा you get from fatty fish, you get from nuts. So you should also be consuming good quality of almonds, pistachios, cashews, pumpkins, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds is also very rich in omega fatty acids. Now, chia seeds is something which is really high in fiber, gives you a satiety feeling. Also, it is rich in omega-3, which is really good for the skin.
Mhm.
Apart from this, if you're not able to incorporate fruits and antioxidants, in the daily life routine, you can also opt for supplements. Okay, so you can go for vitamin C supplements, you can go for antioxidants, you can go for omega soft gels as well.
Okay. So, we we
Now,
come.
like, I'm sorry to interrupt you in between. So basically, when you eat these kind of foods, they will encourage the production of collagen in the body. Okay, so collagen is very, very important, and it is very important to boost that for healthy aging process.
All right. So now that you have, told about something about collagen, so wanted to know from you what exactly is collagen and how it is very important to our skin and what it is all about.
So, Akansha, when you look at collagen, collagen is something, it's like an ultimate superhero for the human body. Now, it is a very mighty protein, which is like master of the structure and strength. So 70% of the body is made up of collagen. Your skin, your bones, your tendons, your ligaments, all are made up of collagen. So it's like a glue that holds your body together. Okay, now skin becomes very smoother and more radiant, and wrinkles fade away, and joints become more stronger and more resilient when you're consuming collagen in your daily life, or when you're eating foods that boost collagen. Also, as you grow, जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ती है, collagen production जो है आपका धीरे होता जाता है. So every 10 years, you will see that the collagen fibers are, reducing in density in your body. So it is very important to replenish your body, keep replenishing your body with collagen supplements or collagen boosters with the help of your diet. So when you are having good amount of collagen, your muscles, your bones, your skin, hair, nails, everything looks perfect.
Okay, so that's really interesting to know, Shweta. So now getting back to the main question, where I asked share you like some common factors that affect skin health,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
So we spoke about balanced diet, right? We spoke about collagen boosting foods. Now let's go to the second very important point that we always discuss is hydration. Now drinking enough water keeps the skin hydrated, helps maintain its elasticity. Okay, it is also recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Additionally, if you also consume water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelons and oranges, जितने भी fruits और vegetables जिनमें वाटर कंटेंट ज्यादा है वो आप कंज्यूम करते हैं तो आपका हाइड्रेशन और बेहतर बना रहता है. तो वाटर की जब हम बात करें तो इट इज अ वेरी गुड टिप दैट आप अपना एक सेपरेट बॉटल रखिए, ग्लास का, स्टील का या कॉपर का, एनी बॉटल दैट यू लाइक, एंड कीप ऑन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सो दैट देयर इज अ परफेक्ट मेजरमेंट कि यार आज मैंने 2 लीटर्स वाटर पिया, आज मैंने 3 लीटर्स वाटर पिया. सो यू आर ऑल्सो achieving the target of your water, your hydration levels. That way you're supporting your health as well your skin health overall.
Okay.
Then next point is sun exposure. Sun exposure and excessive ultraviolet rays, what they do is they can damage your skin, leading to premature aging and increased risk of skin-related health challenges that we are seeing today. So it is very important to use sunscreen at least above 30 SPF, wearing protective clothing, and seeking shade during peak sun hours. And this is something which is very very vital. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि चलो we are going on a two-wheeler without any scarf, without any covering the body, but it damages the skin. So it is very important that you cover up your skin when you're going in the peak hours. एकदम दोपहर के टाइम में जब peak sun hours होते हैं, it is very important to avoid those sun rays. Okay, but अभी तो monsoon का time है, so it's fine. So it's not a problem. Then lifestyle choices में अपन देखें तो it is very important to avoid completely smoking, alcohol consumption. These two things are something which will, smoking is something which reduces the blood flow to the skin. It deprives your skin of oxygen and nutrients. And alcohol is something which will dehydrate the skin and disrupt the sleep pattern. So it is very
Uh,
important that we
you are not
try to.
audible.
Can you hear me now?
You are not audible, Shweta.
Okay. Can you hear me now? Am I audible? Akansha, am I audible now?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you?
Okay, okay. So
Yes, you are. You
smoking,
are
alcohol.
audible. But yes, you can continue with the lifestyle choices.
Okay, so when you look at lifestyle choices, it is very important to avoid smoking, alcohol consumption. Okay, these two things are very important to avoid because जब आप बहुत excessive alcohol लेते हो, your skin gets dehydrated. Then nourishment, then obviously when the skin is dehydrated, it looks dull. Okay, and when you look at if you're smoking too much, the oxygen to your skin is getting deprived. You're depriving your skin of oxygen. So that way also the skin gets affected. Then it is also very important. Sleep is something which is very important and very, very underrated concept, especially when you look at youngsters. They are sleeping very late, getting up early in the morning. So it is very important to prioritize sleep. At least 7 to 9 hours of sleep is very important to repair and regenerate. जिसको हम कहते हैं ना कि cells की wear and tear of tissues होती है जब आप सोते हैं. It is very important to repair and regenerate your skin. नींद बहुत जरूरी है. Then skincare routine, using appropriate skincare products and maintaining a regular skin regimen is also very essential to maintain the quality of the skin.
All right. So these insights, they were really amazing, Shweta. Well, anti-aging is very booming topic and everyone wants to
Yes,
look young, including us, right?
exactly.
So with the beauty industry evolving every day, we all need internal nutrition to look young and healthy because it's very difficult as per our lifestyle choices and everything. It is very difficult to, cover that nutritional gap. So can you please suggest a supplement for that?
So my top pick among all the supplements that we have today, that we have in the 4 Life basket, for the skin health, the number one supplement is 4 Life Transfer Factor Collagen. So it is a unique product that combines the benefits of 5 types of premium fish breeds. Really good for your joints, for muscle and health. It's like a total age-defying powder supplement. Really good for the skin, hair, and nails. The best part is it has transfer factors in it, so it is going to give your immune system also the perfect kick that we need. Additionally, it has vitamin C and E, which is collagen boosters also. Okay. Now, research has shown that this product is something which improves skin moisture, tone, elasticity while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now,
Mhm.
this product is something which was tested in the most driest and the hottest climate of United States in a university, and it was
Mhm.
proved that when you're consuming this for continuously consistently and continuously, when you're consuming this product for 21 days, you can see the difference in the skin quality. The hydration becomes better, the fine lines and wrinkles are reduced, your skin, your hair and nails are at your top, they are performing at its top, and you will see that there is visible reduction in fine lines and wrinkles in healthy adults. So
Mhm.
apart from this, also the supplement, the supplement has proved that overall health के लिए भी ये काफी beneficial है. So, a lot of direct sellers or the customers who purchase this product, they give us the feedback that apart from anti-aging benefits, it has really good benefits for the bones and for the bones and the muscles as well.
Okay.
That's about whole life transfactor collagen.
That sounds impressive. So, wanted to know more on this that how can someone incorporate 4 Life Transfer Factor collagen into their daily routine? And also wanted to know for myself that when can we start taking this collagen? I mean, post
So I
30.
think yes, definitely. Post 30, everyone should start. In fact, post 25 also, males and females have started including this in the diet. But post 30 is also good because 30 ke baad, you will see a decline in the collagen year after year. So
Mm.
plus 30, wonderful product. And you're asking about the incorporating this product in the diet. It is
Yeah.
very, very simple. You can mix collagen powder with water, fresh juice, any of your favorite smoothie. And
Okay.
also you can mix this in your protein powder also, and use it regularly combined with healthy lifestyle and proper skincare. It can make a significant improvement. And you can see the improvement in the quality of your skin, hair and nails, and
Mhm.
also wonderful for your muscles and joints also.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Shweta, for sharing these valuable insights on skin health.
Thank you so much, Akansha. It was amazing to share these important information, and I always look forward to such sessions.
Well, yes. And to our listeners, remember your skin is basically a reflection of your overall health. Take care of your health, your skin by maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, protecting it from the sun, and choosing the right skincare products. Well, happy World Skin Health Day, everyone. Well, I'll be sharing a link for buying the collagen in the comment section. I'll be pinning it. Do check out that product, and if you think that it is suitable, do buy it. Thank you so much, Veta. Thank you,
Thank you very
viewers.
much, Akansha, and to all our listeners, keep hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and do try our 4 Life Transfactor Collagen. Wishing you all a very happy World Skin Health Day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
You